Hey guys, today I'm going to make some baked noodles and sausage. So let's get toasting. I'm going to use my 10-inch cast iron skillet for this, so it's lightly oiled. And this is half a cup of elbow macaroni. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of water to that. I actually did this last night and it seemed just a little bit dry, so I'm going to add just a little splash more water. So a cup plus a little bit. And then I have some Portuguese linguica sausage here. There was 4 links in there. So what I do with that is just pull it out of the casing and crumble it up. So usually if you work at it, the casing came off pretty good on that piece, and then I just crumble it up like this. This Portuguese linguica sausage has a lot of flavor, but I guess you could really use whatever kind of sausage that you like. I've also done this with Spam as well, so I'll just kind of get it all mixed together here. Then I'll get that into my toaster oven. I'm also going to season this lightly with a little bit of kosher salt and a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. And I'm going to cook this on bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'll let you guys know how long that takes. It's been about 20 minutes, so let's see how this looks here. That looks like most of the water is absorbed, so I think that's good. Last night I ate this just like this, and it was really good, but I have a jar of pasta sauce here that needs to be used up, so I think I'll add that to it. There's probably about a cup of pasta sauce in there, so I'll just get that in there, and then I'll put it back in the oven for a few minutes just to warm the sauce up. My oven's still set to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll just let that sauce warm up for a few minutes, then we'll try it out. It's been 4 or 5 minutes. Let's see how this looks. I see steam coming off of that. I'm going to get it out of there. Now I'll mix this together. Looks like that was about the right amount of water. Hardly any left in the pan there. And it looks like the noodles are cooked about right. Alright, let's try this out. Put a little Parmesan cheese on top there. Let's get a bite. That's really good. It's even better with the sauce. I guess we better see what Annie thinks. You want to try it off the spoon? There you go. Looks like she likes it. This turned out good. I'll have to make this more often. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.